Are you ready? I am. I cannot wait. I can't wait to hear what I'm going to say. This is so cool. This is Kelly Verla coming to you live from the Opa TV studio. Right now I'm trying to talk with you without moving my eyebrows. Oops. I'm going to try that one more time. I'm trying to talk. Oh, I'm trying to speak with you in Anchor Eyebrow. Anchor Eyebrow is when you do. I'm trying to see. This is really hard. Okay, I'm going to try this one more time. This is Kelly. I can't do this. I can do it. I can. You can do this. You can. Anchor Eyebrow. Anchor Eyebrow. Okay, right. Okay, right. It's just really hard. Hi, this is Kelly V. I can't. I've got to go to the bathroom. Hi, this is Kelly V coming to you live, semi-live. This is the fun. You know the funny part? Here's the funny part. There's nobody in this room but me. I cracked myself up so bad. Okay. Definitely go on the blooper reel. All right, here we go. Anchor eyebrows. Okay, here we go. Okay. Hi, this is Kelly V practicing anchor eyebrows. Anchor eyebrows is an amazing skill. Even the greatest bodybuilders couldn't do it because even though they're light to lift, it is integrally important. I just made up a word there, but I didn't move my eyebrows. It's pretty good. On how to have a neutral look on your face without indicating any emotion through your eyebrows. I did it. That's it. Cut, stop. No more.